Hello students, welcome to Verma's Chemistry. In this video, I am going to give you a few tricks to use logarithms without using log tables. To use these tricks, you need to remember 4 logarithmic values, just 4 logarithm values. Log 2 0.3010, log 3 0.4771, log 5 0.6990 and log 7 0.8450. You need to remember all these 4 values. In these values you can see a 4-digit value after the decimal point, that is called as mantissa. In logarithm values, this mantissa is very much important. The 4-digit value you can see after the decimal point is called as mantissa. Mantissa of log 2 is 0.3010, right? And it will be same for even 20, 200, 2000, like this. Mantissa 0.3010, it is not only for 2, it will be for 20, 200, 2000, whatever the number of zeros we place after 2, mantissa will be same. And now we will see how to get log values of other integers. We know log 2, 3, 5 and 7 values. Then let us see how to get log 4 value. Log 4 can be written as log 2 square. In logarithms there is a formula log a power x, which is equal to x log a, right? So in the same way, log 2 square can be written as 2 log 2. Log 2 value 0.3010. So twice to that is equal to 0.6020. In log table, you can see log 4 value 0.6021. But like this, you got 0.6020. Log 6 value, 6 can be written as 2 into 3, which is in the form of log AB. Log AB equal to log A plus log B, right? In the same way, log 6 can be written as log 3 plus log 2. Log 3 value 0.4771 and log 2 value 0.3010. So log 6 you got 0.7781. Let us see how to find log values of numbers with more than one digit. First of all, we need to see how many digits are present in the given number, and we need to subtract 1 from the number of digits. After subtracting 1 from the number of digits in the given number, how much value you get, it is called as characteristic. This is another important term in logarithms, characteristic. Okay, how can you find log 200? First of all, see how many digits are there. In 200, 3 digits are there. Subtract 1 from it, you got 2. This is called characteristic. And after this characteristic, we need to put a decimal point. Later, place the mantissa of 200. Already I told you mantissa of 200 is equal to mantissa of 2. So what will be log 200 value? 2.3010. Now how can you find log 300? Again the same procedure. Number of digits 3. Characteristic value is 3 minus 1, 2. But how will you get mantissa? It is in between 300 and 400. 350 is present in between 300 and 400, and we know the mantissa value of 300 and mantissa value of 400. $350 is the average value of 300 and 400, right? So to get the mantissa of 350, you take mantissa of 300 and 400 and find out its average. 0.4771 is mantissa of 300, 0.6020 is mantissa of 400, divided by 2, 0.5395. If you see log table, mantissa value of 350 will be just more than this 0.5395, almost 0.5404 something you will get. A small variation you have. So no need to see log table to get mantissa of 350 now. 350 is the average of 300 and 400. So you take the mantissa value of 300 and 400, find out average. So then what will be the log value of 350? Mantissa we know and characteristic we know. So first keep characteristic, after that put a decimal point, later mantissa. How can you find log value of 240? Even here also you have digits 3, subtract 1 from it, characteristic value is 2. Now the question is, how can you find mantissa? We will follow the same procedure, but a small variation is there. 240 is present in between 200 and 300, but it is not the exact average value of 200 and 300. So what we do is, we will find out the difference between 300 and 200. How much? 100. And multiply that 100 with 0.4, then you will get 40. Add that 40 to the lower value of the range you have taken, 200. Add 40 to 200, then you will get 240. And how did you get that 40? We took the difference between 300 and 200 and it is multiplied with 0.4. We got 40, and we have added that 40 to 200. The same operation we will do for mantissa values. First, find out the difference between the mantissa of 300 and 200. Mantissa of 300 is 0.4771. Mantissa of 200 is 0.3010. Difference is 0.1761. And multiply that with 0.4. Add that value to mantissa of 200. How much? You will get almost 0.37. So this 0.37 is the closest value of mantissa of 240. And what is log value of 240? you have characteristic, we need to place it before the decimal, so 2.37. So like this you can find out log values of other numbers also. So that's all for this video. I'll tell you how to find log values of fractional values in my next video. So please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.